A very warm good morning to each and every student. Myself Archana, and this video is for class 3rd. And through this video I am going to take your SST lecture. Yes students, in this video we will read the very first chapter of our SST book. And the name of the SST book is New Longman Vistas, as you can see on your mobile screen, for class 3rd. Yes students, in this video, in the very first chapter of our SST book, in this chapter we will learn about our universe. हम हमारे यूनिवर्स से के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. यूनिवर्स में क्या है? In the sky what do you see? Like in the noon time we see sun. We see sun. And in the night what do you see? We see many stars twinkling in the sky, and we can see a moon also, right? But except these, there are many other things also, like planets, right? Planets, asteroids, etc. So these all are the part of the universe. Yes, and you know, in the universe there is a sun and its family also. You know what is who is the family of sun? Which we call solar system. And to know about solar system, yes, we will look at this picture. Here, the thing which is shining brightly, yellow colored. Can you see what is this? This is sun. ये हमारा sun है. And one more thing, beta, the sun is not a planet. It's a star. It's a star which shines brightly. And you can also see some round ball like structure, right? What are these? These are planets. Okay, one by one we will read about it. First one is Mercury. Which is the closest planet of the sun. If you are asked which is the closest planet of the sun, you will answer Mercury. And the second, Venus. At the second position there is Venus, and at the third position there is Earth, the planet on which we all live, and the only planet where life is possible, the planet which supports life. And then Mars. We also call it red planet. And then Jupiter. And at the fifth place there is Jupiter, and which is the biggest planet of solar system. And next, at the sixth place, Saturn, which is very beautiful planet. But if you look at this planet, you can see a ring around it, right? This is the only planet which has ring around itself. And then there is Uranus, and then there is Neptune. There are 8 planets in the solar system. But students, before many years there were 9 planets. In the solar system there were 9 planets, and the 9th planet was Pluto, now which is not a part of this solar system, and that is called a dwarf planet. Pluto is called the dwarf planet because it is not the part of solar system. Okay, hope you understood about solar system. Yes, now we will read the very first paragraph of this chapter, which is about solar system. Our universe. You know what is universe now? Universe where there are stars, planets, moon, sun, all celestial bodies. Our universe has many galaxies. A galaxy, now what is the meaning of galaxy? A galaxy is a collection of stars and planets. Our galaxy is called Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Beta, the galaxy in which our Earth is situated, that is called Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Means if you are asked what is the name of a galaxy, we will answer as Milky Way or आकाश गंगा. एंड गैलेक्सी इज़ द कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टार्स एंड प्लैनेट. जहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टार्स एंड प्लैनेट्स होते हैं उनका कलेक्शन हम गैलेक्सी, उनके कलेक्शन को हम गैलेक्सी बोलते हैं. आवर सोलर सिस्टम इज़ अ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ दिस गैलेक्सी. हमारा जो सोलर सिस्टम है वो इस गैलेक्सी का ही एक पार्ट है, छोटा सा पार्ट है. इट कंसिस्ट, जिसमें क्या क्या है, द सन एंड द 8 प्लैनेट्स विच वी रेड बिफोर सम टाइम ना, थोड़ी देर पहले जिसके बारे में हमने पढ़ा था. देयर वाज अ सन एंड 8 प्लैनेट्स. द सन लाइज एट द सेंटर ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम. सन क्या है, सोलर सिस्टम के एकदम मिड में सिचुएटेड है. एंड ऑल द प्लैनेट्स मूव्स अराउंड द सन. और सारे के सारे प्लैनेट्स क्या करते हैं, सन के चारों ओर रिवॉल्व करते हैं, मूव करते हैं. एंड वन मोर थिंग बेटा, सन इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द हेड ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम. जो सोलर सिस्टम का जो हेड है वो सन होता है. एंड व्हाट इज सन? इट इज़ अ ह्यूज बॉल ऑफ हॉट गैसेस. जो सन है वो हॉट गैसेस का एक बड़ा सा बॉल के रूप में है. नाउ बेटा इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी. इट इज़ द पिक्चर ऑफ अ गैलेक्सी. हमारी जो गैलेक्सी है मिल्की वे और आकाशगंगा, इट इज़ द पिक्चर ऑफ दैट. इट इज़ द ओनली बॉडी इन द सोलर सिस्टम विच इट्स ओन हीट एंड लाइट. कि यही एक सोलर सिस्टम की यही एक बॉडी है जिसकी खुद की हीट एंड लाइट है. स्टूडेंट्स, आई वांट टू टेल यू समथिंग दैट stars has their own light, right? But moon do not have its own light. moon के पास खुद की लाइट नहीं है, बट फिर भी वो शाइन करता है. हाउ? वो क्या करता है, स्टार्स से लाइट लेता है. स्टार्स की जो लाइट होती है वो मून के सरफेस पे रिफ्लेक्ट करती है एंड दैट्स वाई वो हमें शाइन करता हुआ दिखाई देता है. ओके, यस. द 8 प्लैनेट्स ऑफ सोलर सिस्टम आर. अभी आपको बताया कि सोलर सिस्टम के जो 8 प्लैनेट्स हैं वो कौन कौन से हैं. नंबर 1 मर्करी, सेकंड वीनस, थर्ड अर्थ, फोर्थ मार्स, फिफ्थ जुपिटर, सिक्स्थ सैटर्न, 7 Uranus, and the last one is Neptune. These all 8 planets are the part of solar system, of which the head is the sun and which is situated at the midpoint. Understood beta? What is solar system? Solar system is a small part of our galaxy, okay, in which there is a sun which is a star and 8 planets. And sun is situated at the center में sun होता है and all the 8 planets revolve around the sun. Okay, and one more thing, our earth on which we live is also a planet and which is situated at the 3rd place. जो सन से 3rd place पे है. अगर आपसे हमारी अर्थ, हमारे प्लैनेट का सिचुएशन पूछी जाए then you will say that it is situated at the 3rd place from the सन. ये सन से तीसरे नंबर पर है. ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग, इफ यू आर आस्क्ड which is the smallest planet, what will you say? Mercury. The answer will be Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and the largest planet is Jupiter. And closest planet is also Mercury. The closest planet to the sun is also Mercury. And yes, through this picture beta you can see closest, this one is closest and this is Mercury. So closest is Mercury and furthest means सबसे दूर. You can see a red color like ball. Yes, this is Neptune. Closest is Mercury and the furthest is Neptune. And biggest, if we ask about the biggest planet, we will say Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. And if you are asked which planet has ring around itself, you will say Saturn. Saturn. And position of Earth, solar system में Earth की position, then first, second, and the Earth is at the third place. Then third place पे हमारी Earth है. And Mars, what is Mars? I have told you that Mars is also called the red planet because its surface is of red color. Okay? Yes. Now we will talk about stars. We see many stars twinkling in the sky at night. When you at night when you look at the sky, जब आप sky पे देखते हो, what you see? There are many stars twinkling in the sky. A star is a ball of hot burning gases with heat and light of its own. Means what is star? Stars is nothing but they are ball of hot gases. They are ball of hot gases which have their own heat and light. The sun is also a star. When we look up at the clear night sky, we notice group of stars in the different patterns. If the weather is clear, it is a clear night. Then look up at the sky and notice what you see. You see a group of stars. You see group of stars and they make different type of patterns. So these cluster of stars means group of stars that make different patterns are called constellations. मीन्स जब आप स्काई में देखते हो आपको स्टार्स के ग्रुप दिखाई देते हैं जिससे क्या है जो अलग अलग आपको ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ स्टार्स के ग्रुप कुछ पैटर्न बना रहे हैं कुछ पैटर्न बना रहे हैं इस तरीके से. सो दीज ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स दैट मेक डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पैटर्न इन्हें हम कॉन्स्टलेशन बोलते हैं. एंड द लार्जेस्ट constellation is Hydra. The largest constellation is Hydra. Yes, here it is. Which is the meaning of it is the water snake. And some other constellation are Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, and Orion. Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, and Orion. These all are the name of constellations. Yes, students, in this video, we will read we have read one page. Rest part of this chapter, we will read in our next video. Thank you.